Case study, building a personal URL shortener with AWS Server-less technologies. In today's digital world, managing long URLs can be cumbersome and visually unappealing. This case study details the development of a personal URL shortener built on serverless AWS technologies to address this challenge. The project demonstrates a cost-effective and scalable approach for shortening URLs while maintaining security and user experience. Challenges: manually managing shortened URLs becomes difficult as the number of entries grows. Traditional server-based solutions require ongoing maintenance and can be expensive for personal projects. Balancing security with user-friendliness is crucial for any URL shortener. Solution: this URL shortener leverages a combination of AWS services to achieve its functionality. S3 website stores the mapping between long and short URLs using file names as checksums of long URLs. Empty files with website redirect metadata set to the long URL enable automatic redirection. CloudFront distribution with SSL delivers the HTML client content securely and efficiently with Content Delivery Network (CDN) functionality. AWS Lambda, a serverless function triggered by API gateway requests, handles the core logic of shortening URLs. AWS API Gateway acts as the API endpoint for the URL shortener. Users, or the HTML client, interact with API Gateway to trigger the Lambda function. HTML client, a user-friendly interface for interacting with the URL shortener. It's hosted on the same S3 website domain for a seamless experience. Libraries are loaded from a public CDN with embedded integrity checks for security. Security considerations: basic authentication with CloudFront event functions restricts access to the HTML client path, ensuring only authorized users can interact with it. Checksums for file names and user authentication provide additional layers of security. Benefits: cost-effective, utilizes serverless technologies and efficient S3 storage, making it cost-friendly for personal use. Scalable, serverless architecture automatically scales to handle increased traffic without worrying about server provisioning. Secure, employs multiple security measures like SSL encryption, basic authentication, optional, and checksums. User-friendly, provides a simple HTML client for shortening URLs and utilizes a familiar domain for both shortened URLs and the client itself. Open source contribution. The code for the Lambda function, HTML client, shell script etc. has been shared on GitHub under the handle JTHMA. This fosters collaboration within the developer community and allows others to learn from and potentially contribute to the project. Conclusion: this case study demonstrates that building a personal URL shortener with AWS serverless technologies is a viable and effective approach. The project offers a cost-effective and scalable solution while prioritizing security and user experience. Sharing the code on GitHub further contributes to the developer community and opens doors for collaboration and improvement.
Please like and share video to promote it. Also subscribe to the channel and enable notification for all. This will help us to keep the channel running and upload more such content.